After downloading the APK, we shall go ahead to install it. So follow the on-screen prompts depending on your device. Then you can go ahead to allow the unknown sources so that you can install the APK file. So you can also go ahead to disable the Play Protect just in case if you can't install the app direct or the APK direct. So we shall wait for it to finalize with the installation, then I'll be showing you what to do and what next. So here we go, we are almost there. So we shall open. After opening, we shall go to WhatsApp settings. We shall go direct to WhatsApp settings. These ones are the GB WhatsApp settings. We shall head here direct to the GB WhatsApp settings. Then so on privacy, we shall tap on privacy and security. Then we shall freeze the last scene. So when you freeze this last scene, no one will be able to see that you are either online or offline. So you have to make sure you have to freeze this. So for other things, for other settings like contacts, if you want to hide blue ticks, this is what you'll do. You'll select hide blue ticks. If you want to hide the second one, if you want to hide the typing, you can go checking these boxes, hide recording and other things. So that one applies to contacts. Also groups, if you want to change, you can also go ahead to do the same by selecting either option, any which you want or which you wish. For the broadcasts, same thing. You can also go ahead to hide blue ticks. You can also hide the second tick and also hide the microphone. So when you check those boxes, it will do the needful. So for custom privacy, here you'll choose those groups which you don't want to like send daily messages, things like that. And for other things, you can also go ahead to check them, like for example, who can call you. Then chats, if you want to disable the forward allow message. If you want to activate the undelete message, this is whereby if someone deletes a message, you'll be able to read it still. And also here you can also go ahead to show blue ticks after reply. For example, if you want someone to see the blue ticks, this one will happen when you finish replying. So you can also hide view status, whereby if you want to see someone's status, you'll just see them, then you'll not that person will not be able to see you on their list of those who have viewed his or her status. So the undelete status also helps, whereby you'll be able to view those status which were deleted, but for you, you'll be still able to access them. If you want to set a pattern fingerprint or pattern lock, this is the same process. You'll go ahead to activate all this. So thank you for watching. Hope I've answered your query. We meet in the next video. Bye.